Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to be doing part 3 of the Delta fan bathroom maintenance on the exhaust fan. The first video was on how it looked after 8 years full of dust, and then showed about how to remove the fan. Also part 2 shows how to get to your fan blade. And so we're going to be doing part 3 today. This little item here I got from Home Depot is a 3 to 4 inch duct size adapter like this. So what you do is you hook the 3-inch duct from your attic here, and this is the 4-inch that hooks onto your flapper connector onto your newer fan, which most of the newer fans is 4 inches. So you got to get this adapter for it. And so all you do is just put it like this, and then you can connect it with duct tape or reflective coil tape, and then the 3-inch you can put a little clamp on there as well. And so there you go. If you like this video, hit the like button. Better yet, subscribe.